woke up, kind of just took some time to ourselves to explore the place and explore outside and like just like see how nice and snowy it is. And we had our morning coffee. Well, I had coffee and he had tea. Today, what are we doing?
Do you want to build a snowman?
It's gonna be a chill day. I mean, we don't really have much planned and we're not planning on leaving, so we're just gonna hang around. I don't know, I'm kind of lazy to like film and everything, but I'm gonna try my best. I'll probably do a little house tour. We'll just see how it is. But I understand why people are lazy to vlog from trying to vlog this one time. I don't know, it just gets kind of like, what's the word? Tedious to like pick up the camera, set it up and all that. So we'll just see how it goes. We're probably just gonna chill a little bit more and then make breakfast. Okay, we'll see you guys later. So we just finished eating and now I'm just gonna get ready for the day. So I'm gonna put on my makeup, change my clothes. I'm just climbing up the little ladder to get to the bedroom. I'm gonna do a little tour later, but first I'm gonna get changed. Okay, we are all ready for the day. I have my makeup on, my heat tech on, an extra sweater. And then the hosts of our Airbnb gave us like these cute, super cozy Fort Treehouse hats. So I'm just gonna be rocking that today when we build our snowman. But before that, I think we're just gonna do a quick house tour or Airbnb tour of the whole place because honestly, it's so beautiful. So yeah, let's go. So we just finished building our snowman, and here he is. Meet Kevin. He's got his cute little toque on, he's got eyebrows, he's got a carrot nose, got a smile, and he got buttons. It only took us like, not that long, I think like an hour. Yeah. It was just hard to find like rocks, and also like sticking like these little thingies in, but it was fun. Wasn't it fun? Update, we decided to be extra and we wanted to make a snow doggy. It's so cute. Now Kevin has a dog. Look how cute he is. And he has like a little tail. Good job. Okay guys, so we just finished building our snowmans and now we're just gonna unwind, chill. I am just starting to boil some water on the little kettle. So it wasn't too cold, but obviously after being out there for a few hours, it gets a little cold. So I'm just gonna make some hot cocoa that the host provided for us, which is so sweet. Honestly, the whole experience so far has been so good. The hosts are so accommodating and they literally thought of every little thing to make this stay so comfortable, relaxing, and just so perfect. Yeah, I'm just gonna make some cocoa and we will update you guys later on what else we're doing for today. No marshmallows. This hot chocolate smells good. Natural and vegan friendly. And we are done. So we got hungry and that hot chocolate didn't satisfy us. So we're actually just gonna make a sandwich. And right now I'm just like making like a grilled cheese and turkey sandwich over the pan because I like my bread crispy and toasted. So
We're watching a movie.
yeah, we're gonna watch a movie. We were supposed to watch Elf. We couldn't find it on any of the streaming networks. And this guy's never watched Elf. It's a classic.
I watched clippets.
We're very disappointed. So now we're just gonna watch Klaus on Netflix. It'll be good, right, potato? Okay. Hello, guys. So we just decided to put a little pause on the movie. It was getting very emotional, so Chris wanted to take a little breather. We were just going outside and we're just making a fire since this is our last night here, and the hosts actually left us some firewood. Honestly, it's not too cold tonight, so a fire would be nice. I'm just walking out to the front, which is also very, very cute, and Chris has started a fire for us. And like, I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like outside of the treehouse, because even at night, it's like so cute here. Finished doing the campfire. We did some marshmallows and stuff, which was really fun. And now we're just kind of prepping for a late-ish dinner. We are having some steaks that we're gonna sear over the pan. And also we got some roasted vegetables again in the oven. And we just have like a bit of like side salads, which is already on the table over there. We're just waiting until the vegetables are almost done, and then we're gonna sear the steaks.
I have a hat on because my hair sucks.
So we just finished dinner and I just had like one glass of red wine and I'm already feeling like tipsy, and like I already have a bit of Asian glow happening. My eyes are going red. I usually have this like little vein that like pops up on my forehead, and it was only one glass. This is like how you know I don't drink. Probably not going to have another cup of wine, but I think I am going to log off for the night. And we'll just see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. We are checking out today, and checkout is at 11. So first we're gonna make coffee, then we're gonna make breakfast, and yeah. everything else that we did this morning because we were kind of in a rush to check out. So we're already in our car, we're all packed. It's kind of the end of our little getaway this weekend. And honestly, it was like such a 10 out of 10 experience. I would definitely recommend it. The hosts were amazing and the stay was amazing. Any other words you have left to say?
It was a good, it's a good getaway. It's in the middle of nowhere, so we were pretty isolated.
Yeah.
We do have like neighbors, but they're not really that close.
Yeah, there was like a little husky next door, which is so cute. So
It's still really nice. If you want to get away from the city, it's a good spot.
Also, you have to like book this place like months in advance because it is super. A lot of people want to go here, so you guys gotta be quick and you just gotta book it.
Yeah, a few people were asking me where it was and stuff, and a few people actually checked, and there was like no
dates.
availability.
Well, I mean, the thing is, when we were booking it like in September, and the bookings went live because we were like, we want to book here, we need to be on their email subscription, we need to be on top of it. So we would like check our like email like constantly. And I remember we actually booked it like in the morning of like some random day. I was like, oh my god, babe, like the bookings are like open. And then I was trying to like figure out like what date he was available because he has a pretty busy work schedule, so I didn't want to book any dates where he's working or anything. The bookings were going so quick, and I wanted to try to go for October to see like the fall colors, but after I was waiting for him to message me back like 10 minutes, like the bookings were already gone. And then he actually ended up booking for like December. So yeah, just honestly, just book it even if you're working, and then just figure it out later. Because life is too short, as we know from COVID, and it's just good to live your life to the fullest. Okay, anyways, gonna sign off the vlog now. Hopefully I have enough footage. We'll see how this video is and how I will be editing it.